Australia's premium luxury motor yacht builder, Riviera, has just unveiled their new Platinum Edition Sport Yachts. The 6000, 5400 and 4800 models. Three brilliant examples of pure elegance and exceptional luxury. Riviera owner Rodney Longhurst wanted to mark this special occasion in style. Step aboard for the Riviera Platinum Edition premiere. Sanctuary Cove International Boat Show, May 23 to 26, Gold Coast, Australia.
Always like to celebrate a good occasion, and what could be better? And behind me you can see our 6000, 5400 and 4800 new Platinum Edition Sport Yachts. These are the best Rivieras that have ever been built. The Platinum Edition is like a refinement of these boats that just takes them to a next level. So there's exterior enhancement, interior enhancements. The best way to see it all is going to be from this Thursday at Sanctuary Cove Boat Show. You know, all our boats are built for people to have a great time in. So, you know, me being here is representing our whole team producing these boats for a great time.